What is up? Today I'm heading out to Tahuya with a couple of guys. Gonna do some off-roading finally. It's the first time I'm taking the truck with the new lift kit on it, so I'm really excited to see kind of how that handles with the new lift. I have more travel in the front, more travel in the back. It's pretty much the same ground clearance because I had a leveling kit on here, but it should just handle off-road a whole lot better. I'm excited to try it out. So I just met up with Jason. We're gonna head out to Belfair. It's about an hour-long drive to meet up with another guy, and then to Tahuya. So let's start the drive.
You're good?
There we go.
Somebody that's been here more than 14 years.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. On stock tires, here we go. Yeah, he's got it. Ooh.
I mean, I don't think it's probably any deeper than that last one we just did, which was pretty fucking deep.
It was pretty deep.
Like the bottom of your front bumper was touching.
Was it?
Yeah.
Your diff, the pumpkin was like barely dipped in it.
Oh really?
Yeah. I
don't think any of these up here are.
They're probably not that deep.
We'll find out.
It's a little tight, but
Yeah, it's really tight.
Shoes, socks, everything, because Jim did it. Jim got absolutely soaked when he hooked
I don't think any of these.
That's not horrible. That's about mid-tire.
I don't think up here will be that deep until
Yeah.
we get down there.
Yeah, I think you're fine.
yeah, it's not too bad. Maybe it is. really, really slick.
Set the camera though, you're good.
This has definitely been a fun trip. We got into a lot of, one of our guys high centered pretty much right away. Trails were really, really tight, so we kind of backtracked a little bit and have found different trails now. We're having a lot of fun back here. It's still, you know, kind of tight trails, but it's nothing too difficult. There's a lot of deep water. We just went over some rocks that clearance was pretty tight, but we all made it over. And unfortunately, I didn't get any video of that, but it's been a good trip. It's been a really good trip, and I think we're on the final trail right now to head back to the main road. Gonna air up and get out of here. It's dumping rain right now, and we are deep in the trail. Now it's hailing. I know you guys can hear that. Look at that. Oh man.
You're hitting it good. You're hitting it good. Dropping down. Slow. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Man, how did he tear the shit out of that?
Oh, that was a lot of fun. I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to get, especially towards the end. The trails got really, really tight and sketchy, and it got really rainy as well, so I couldn't stop and take videos because I would have been blocking the trail. I was kind of in the middle of the pack. But that was a ton of fun. Tahuya is a lot of fun. It was a little bit more advanced than I think we were looking for, but it was a good learning experience. I learned a lot about my truck and its capabilities. These step bars that I have, they work a whole lot better as sliders than I thought they would have. I wouldn't recommend using them as sliders, but they took a beating and prevented my truck from taking a beating. So I'm impressed with them. They held up really, really well. I'm hoping to get a snow run here shortly. There's another guy that I want to go off-roading with through YouTube. He reached out to me. So hopefully we can get that going in the next couple weeks. But until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.